Bollywood diva Sara Ali Khan is currently vacationing in Maldives. The beautiful actress recently posted a string of pictures on Instagram. In the images, Sara looks stunning in multicolored quads. The actress can be seen posing by the blue waters, sandy toes and sun-kissed nose, she wrote as the caption of the image, which currently has over 1.4 million likes. Sara's fans are going gaga over her latest post. One fan wrote, "Beautiful." Another fan wrote, "OMG, so gorgeous." Sara, who was recently seen in the digitally released film Coolie No. 1, along with actor Varun Dhawan, has started shooting for her next Atrangi Re. The film also stars Akshay Kumar, Dhanush and Nimrat Kaur. It is directed by filmmaker Anand L. Rai. After Kangana Ranaut and Arjun Rampal, actress Divya Datta unveiled her character's first look poster from Dhakar. Divya took to Instagram to share the poster. She described her character as evil and menacing. She wrote, "And here it is. She looks menacing, but that doesn't even describe how evil she can be. Here's presenting my look as Rohini." Kangana is currently shooting for Dhakar in Madhya Pradesh. The film is directed by Rajneesh Rezi Ghai and slated to release on October 1st, 2021. Bollywood actress Katrina Kaif recently set Instagram on fire with her glamorous photo shoot. The actress shared video of herself where she can be seen sporting 3 different outfits. In the first look, Katrina can be seen sporting red strap dress. She accessorized her look with beaded neck piece and a bracelet. She styled her hair in a messy ponytail and opted for nude lip and smoky eye makeup. In the second look, Katrina can be seen clad in blue dress with perfectly done hair and makeup. In the third look, Kat can be seen dressed in peach color outfit. The photo shoot has been done in Maldives. Katrina recently started shooting for the horror comedy Phone Booth. Directed by Gurmeet Singh, the film stars Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ishan Khattar alongside Katrina. She will next be seen in Rohit Shetty's cop action drama Suryavanshi starring Akshay Kumar. Actors Anita Hasnandani and Tushar Kapoor will co-star in a new film after almost 2 decades. The two actors, who were seen together in the 2003 films Kuch To Hai and Ye Dil, unite for the mystery thriller Marriage, which also stars Naseeruddin Shah. Almost 20 years down this wonderful journey of making stories come to life. Beginning 2021 with Marriage, a departure from my usual style, a film that challenges me to evolve as an actor, excited to share glimpse, even more excited to share screen space with Naseer sir. After long, Tushar tweeted on Tuesday. Anita replied to the post saying, "Super excited, me too in the movie. Small role but I'm super thrilled." Tushar has described Marriage as an edgy and intriguing dark thriller with elements of mystery, suspense and unpredictability that set it apart. The film is helmed by debutant director Dhruv Lathir. Actress Kangana Ranaut on Wednesday tweeted that her Twitter account has been restricted temporarily. This comes after she made controversial remarks about Tandav creators through a post. In the now deleted tweet, Kangana had said that it was time to take their heads off for allegedly insulting Hindu gods in the web series. Now the actress has slammed the liberal community who reported her account to Twitter, going on to call Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey Chacha. Liberals cried to their Chacha, Jack, and got my account temporarily restricted, she wrote. She continued, "They are threatening me. मेरा account virtual identity कभी भी देश के लिए शहीद हो सकती है, मगर my reloaded देशभक्त version will reappear through my movies. तुम्हारा जीना दुश्वार करके रहूंगी." Tandav has come under fire with several people alleging that it provokes communal disharmony and hurts the sentiments of the Hindus. According to the complaints, a scene featuring Muhammad Zishan Ayub performing a college play insults the Hindu deity Shiv. Show creator Ali Abbas Zafar has apologized on behalf of the entire cast and crew, saying they did not intend to offend anyone or insult any religion and political party. They have even said that they will make changes in the content to address concerns.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.